Hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? So today I'm going to showing us my revenue on YouTube. So if you want to start a YouTube channel as a ready-to-wear designer, bring your chair closer because I have a lot to show you in this video. Now, you are starting out a YouTube channel. Most of you start for the wrongest of all the reasons. Okay, so today I'll be telling you why I started YouTube and how much YouTube is paying me. Now, um, I'll be picking on a particular video, and that video is going to be telling us that video has over 50,000 views, and I'll be showing you how much I got from YouTube or from that video, so that when you are starting out, you start out with an intention. Be intentional about what you want, so at the end of the day you don't end up getting frustrated. So I will expose this particular video to you. Channel, this is my studio. Anytime you have a YouTube channel, you're also going to be downloading what is called YouTube Studio. So when you download your YouTube Studio, that's when you are going to see all your activities here. So now you are going to open, because I want to use a particular video, and that video is one of my videos that made me over 60 something thousand views. So you can see all my videos and how much they have earned me. So I'm searching out for that video. That's the video I want to use. So YouTube is actually a nice platform where you can earn money, but sometimes the money you are going to be earning as a YouTuber, on a fashion designer on YouTube, might be discouraging if you are not careful. Yeah, as you are seeing all these my videos, most of them have not, some of them have been uploaded like 5 months ago, 6 months ago, and they have not really made me that kind of money. So if you some most times what these big time YouTubers do to make for YouTube to pay them, if they tell you, you cannot do it. So I'm going to be tapping on this particular video that gave me 64,000 views that you are seeing here. I'm going to tap on it, and this video I made it 6 months ago. Okay, I made this video 6 months ago. I'm going to be showing us how much this video has given me. Now this video is going to take us to the page for this particular video, and that's what we are going to be seeing right away. This um this video. Okay, so this video has given me 64,700 views, and for the ranking is topping the chart for the last 10 videos that I made. So in the last 10 videos, is the video is doing well, is still ranking number one on the list. So this is actually, so we can see that this video has given me 64,700 views. The watch time I got is 3,000. Okay, then the subscriber I gave me is 2,000 subscribers. Okay, now the earning is $24.40. Do you understand? To me, it's actually too poor for a video that have given me 64,730 views. Do you understand? Now this is where I am talking about. When you are coming online as a YouTuber, there's a lot of things you should consider. When you are coming and thinking of making YouTube money, be where, because most times you will see the way it is. Now let's look at this my video that gave me 3,900 views, still made 6 months ago. The same month this particular one that gave me 64,000 views was made. Now what I want to justify for you is that it's not all your videos that will do well. This one that made me 64,000 views is one of my videos that are doing well. It is not all your videos that will definitely do well. So you have to come to YouTube with an open mindset and be ready for whatever is going to happen. Do you understand? Now let's check that particular video that gave me 3,900 views, and the title of that video is 2025 draped gown tutorial. So let me open it so that we can go to the analytics, and on the analytics you can see what I have here. This video has gotten me 3,993 views. Okay, and the watch time it gave me was 243 hours with 60 subscribers, and estimated revenue was only $3. Okay, was only $3. This is a video I made with over 4,000 naira data, and it has made me only $3 since 6 months. So what am I trying to say? You're coming to YouTube, come with a skill, come with something you want to do, come with the knowledge that you want to impact. That's where the money is, not even in YouTube money. Now, let me go over to this particular one that was still made 6 months ago that gave me 534 views. And I will show you. You can see how much my videos, how many views I'm getting. Even this one that gave me 13,000 views did not make me up to $18 6 months ago. What am I trying to say? I'm trying to say that if you start looking at YouTube money, you'll be discouraged. So this particular one gave me 507 views with 16 watch hours alone 6 months ago. Okay, and the subscriber, now the revenue is 0.16 cents. Only 0.16 cents. That's too poor for a video that I used almost 3,000 naira to upload since 6 months ago. That's why I want you to understand that you coming to YouTube is not for you to come and make YouTube pay you. Come with an idea of what you want YouTube to do for you. Come with an idea of what you want to do for the people you meet on YouTube. That's where the money is. Now, the people I have met has paid me a lot of money. I have made money from my masterclass. I source for fabric for people. I do a whole lot of other things for people that I meet online, coupled with the one that I'm doing offline. So that is how I make my money that will make me to keep being in business. That will make me to keep being in business. Because if you do not get people to subscribe to what you are doing online, how are you going to make that money? So on this my channel, I'm here to make you understand, to make you get a skill. Before you come to YouTube, come with a skill that you want people to want to impact on people's life. If you know you are coming to YouTube, that you are coming to teach sewing tutorial, be good at what you do and be ready to answer questions.
So it must not be that you are coming to YouTube to come and make money directly from YouTube, because you might end up becoming frustrated. Have a teachable skill that you are bringing. Who is there? Okay. Have a teachable skill that you are bringing. Have something that you want to fall back on in case if YouTube does not pay you. Have something that will be able to pay for the data that you are going to be using to upload your videos, because uploading videos on YouTube costs data, and sometimes the cost is always on the high side. Because everybody has been asking me, Mama, how do you make money on YouTube? How do you make? So I decided today that I'm going to be talking about how I make my money on YouTube. So if there's any other question you have concerning this video, put it in the comment section and I will reply you when I come back online. But for now, this is what I want to show you. So it's not like the YouTube money is much, and sometimes before you even get to the level of monetization, do you understand? You would have suffered and suffered and suffered. So if you don't have anything to fall back on, you find out that at a point you are going to be losing. And if you start a YouTube channel and you make a video, if you continue, now you still gain. If you stop, now you still lose. YouTube does not have anything. Right from before you become monetized, immediately you drop your first video, YouTube will place ads on those videos. So whether you continue to grow your channel or you do not continue, YouTube will continue to earn on that your video. So you do not even have any option than to continue